Good evening. It's Friday night. But before you get into party mode, let's give you some personal finance update on our show Money9. So let's begin today with the update on Adani. Well, bad news continues to flow for Adani Group. Now, according to a Reuters agency, capital market regulator SEBI has initiated an investigation into Adani Group's links to some of the investors in its recently withdrawn FPO. Two of those investors are Mauritius-based companies. These are Great International Tusker Fund and Ayushmat Limited. Now, these firms have participated as anchor investors in the FPO according to the report. There are chances that Adani Group violated India's securities law in its 20,000 crore rupees share sale process. On the other hand, global credit rating agencies Moody's has revised downwards rating outlook on 4 Adani Group firms to negative from stable, following significant rapid decline in the market value. Ever since the Hindenburg report came out, Adani Group shares have gone into a tailspin. Even on Friday, its flagship company Adani Enterprise was down more than 5%. Adani Transmission, Adani Total and Adani Green was also down 5%. With the Reserve Bank of India raising repo rate to 6.5%, leading public sector lenders Punjab National Bank and Bank of Baroda have raised lending rates. PNB raised repo-linked lending rate to 9%. Repo-linked lending rate is the external benchmark with which rate of interest of loans is tied up. Bank of Baroda, on the other hand, has also raised its 1-year MCLR to 8.55%. The interest rates on various types of loans are tied up with 1-year MCLR of banks. So, home loans, auto loans and other type of loans with these public sector lenders will become costlier going ahead. Big breakthrough for future of electric vehicles in India. The Geological Survey of India has found lithium reserves in Jammu and Kashmir. This can make India a manufacturing hub for electric vehicles for the entire world. 3 minerals, lithium, nickel and cobalt, are required for batteries in EV. Currently, India is dependent on import of all these 3 minerals, but discovery of reserves of lithium can help India in achieving its objective. A top government official has said in an interview with the Business Daily, The Economic Times, that the government might reduce interest rate on Provident Fund for the 3rd time in a row in FY23. Currently, for FY22, employees are getting 8.1% on Provident Fund. In the preceding financial year, that is FY21, the PF interest was 8.5%, and in FY24, government might again reduce the interest rate. This means interest on PF may be reduced for the 3rd time in a row. Cut in PF interest rate means low return on balance accumulated in PF account. This will also attract the retirement corpus of employees. Kotak Mahindra Bank recently increased interest on fixed deposit. Now, you can get as high as 7.1% interest on FDs of only 390 days. Meanwhile, senior citizens will get 7.82% interest on this FD. Apart from this, general citizens can get interest rate of 6.9% on FDs of 1 year. Meanwhile, senior citizens will get 7.61% on this FD. Next news is on Vande Bharat Express. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off 2 new Vande Bharat Express trains on Mumbai to Solapur route and other one from Mumbai to Sainagar. The semi-high-speed trains will take 5 hours 20 minutes to reach Sainagar from Mumbai. The second Vande Bharat Express will take 6 hours 35 minutes to reach Solapur from Mumbai. Both trains will run 6 days in a week. Ministry of Electronics and IT is working on a project to make UPI a voice-based payment system. If the project is successful, then people will soon be able to make payments by speaking on their phone in their local language. They will be able to use UPI to make voice-based payment in 18 native languages spoken all over the country. On the other hand, MeitY Secretary Alkesh Kumar Sharma said, government is planning to make UPI an international payment system. UPI is already available in Nepal, Singapore, Bhutan, UK and the UAE. UPI will soon be available in countries like US, Canada, Australia, etc. Kotak Nasdaq Fund of Fund has temporarily suspended subscriptions from today. It will pause SIPs, transfer plans and dividend transfer plan with reference from March 1 till further notice. The fund house has taken such a step because it has breached investment limit in overseas securities. According to SEBI, no scheme can invest in overseas market in excess to $300 million. while the overall limit for entire mutual fund industry is $700 million. MeitY Asset Mutual Fund has launched a new gold ETF. The subscription of NFO of MeitY Asset Gold ETF is already open for subscription. The NFO is open till 15th February. Ritesh Patel will manage the fund. Then minimum investment amount in NFO is 5,000 rupees. The ETF will track the performance of the domestic price of physical gold. You can invest as low as 1 unit of the fund, wherein 1 unit will be equal to approx 0.01 gram of gold. And we move to share bonuses and splits. Veer Karpa Jewellers has said that its board has approved bonus issues of shares and stock split for shareholders. The jewelry company said that it has split shares into the ratio of 1 to 10. Prior to the stock split, the face value of its share was 10 rupees, but now the book value will be 1 rupee. The company also approved the issue in the bonus in the ratio of 2 to 3. Meanwhile, shareholders will get 2 bonus shares for every 3 held in their demat account. On Friday, the scrip jumped north of 6% to close at 135 rupees a piece on BSE. And with this, we wrap up the news section this weekend on Money Time. But we hope to see you again next week.